Now this is a car that will not last long. It's a Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE, finished in the most popular colour, which is Borasco Grey. It's then, very importantly, got the upgraded 23s, black pack, sliding sunroof, are just a few options to mention. 23 registration, done 30,000 miles. It's been kept in fantastic condition. And whenever we get one in this colourway, they sell instantly. It's by far the most popular selling colour when it comes to Range Rovers. The black pack just gives it those finer black details, including the badging, side accents, etc. Then when you come round to the side, you'll notice the wheels that I've just mentioned. 23-inch multi-spoke wheels, dark grey shadow, then you've got that diamond cut face. Again, the 23s just fit those wheel arches far better than what the 22s or 21s possibly do. Fixed side steps. Now, with it being a Dynamic SE, you get a lot of spec as standard. Rear heated seats, Meridian sound system, 360 camera, a few things to mention, but the Sport now have settled into a cracking price range. So the fact that you can own a car like this for the price that we are selling for compared to 18 months ago is pretty drastic. So these are a great buy now. As you can see, plenty of space in the back, and they make a fantastic SUV. Irrelevant if it's a family car, single person, whatever it is, they're just a good looking car, the Sport. Big boot space still, so as much as they are the Sport variant of the Range Rover, still very practical. Huge boot space, enough space in there for whatever you need to, and if you've got something that's a little bit more oddball, you can put those two seats, or the middle seats, sorry, down. Privacy glass, again, but it's the paint on this car, the combination of the paint with the finer options like the sliding sunroof. A Dynamic SE as standard comes with a fixed roof. This one, sliding pan sunroof, which is the one that you would want. And then I'm going to go through some more details. You'll be able to see by the passenger seat, driver's seat, the car's being kept in very good condition. Still got manufacturer's warranty into 2026. And as you can see, it's done just over 30,000 miles. You get loads of spec and tech, so adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, heated wheel, as well as obviously heated seats. 360 camera I mentioned earlier, so you've got rear view, aerial view, there's even a 3D mode as well. Your climate control and your heated seats work from here. Sliding sunroof, which covers the majority of the roof as well, it's a good one. And then your big screen in the centre has everything else, navigation, media, telephone, all of your Apple CarPlay features, everything all controlled through there. You've then got charging sockets absolutely everywhere as well. Great buy, have a look at the price and do your research. Borasco Grey is the best selling colour that you can get in a Range Rover Sport, well in Range Rovers in general really, but especially in the Sport. This one's going live, 30,000 miles, 23 registration with those finer options. So if you're in the market, this one is going up today. Any questions about how you can buy it through different funding options, questions, anything in general, feel free to give me a call direct. My name is Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.